Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these three triangles. The green triangle, the yellow triangle, and the blue triangle put together, as you can see in this given diagram, such that these points B, P, T, and C are collinear. And this point A is in common for all of these triangles. And moreover, this angle PAT has been given to us as 33 degrees. And the angle BAC is being represented by X. And furthermore, this side BP is equal to this side AP. And likewise, this side AT is equal to this side TC. And now our task is to find the value of this angle X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this green shaded triangle ABP. And we can see that this triangle is our isosceles triangle, since this side length equal to this side length. So therefore we conclude that this angle has got to be congruent to this angle. I'm going to label this angle as lowercase a. Then this angle has got to be lowercase a as well. And likewise, we are going to focus on this blue shaded triangle ATC. And we can see that this is also an isosceles triangle, since this side length equal to this side length. So therefore, this angle has got to be congruent to this angle. I'm going to label this angle as lowercase b. Then this angle has got to be lowercase b as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole angle BAC is being represented by X. And furthermore, this angle BAC consists of three angles as well. This angle lowercase a, 33 degrees, and this angle lowercase b. So therefore we can write down this angle X is going to be equal to our angles A plus B plus 33 degree angle. I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this big triangle ABC. And let's recall the triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of three interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So therefore, in this triangle ABC, the sum of these three interior angles, lowercase a, X, and lowercase b, must be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, I can write down angle X plus angle lowercase a plus angle lowercase b must be equal to 180 degrees. And now let's focus on this equation 1. Our angle X equal to a plus b plus 33 degrees. So I'm going to substitute that value over here. So therefore I'm going to substitute this X value, which is lowercase a plus lowercase b plus 33 degrees plus a plus b is going to be equal to 180 degrees. Let's combine these like terms. So therefore we are going to get 2 times a plus 2 times b plus 33 degrees is going to be equal to 180 degrees. And now I'm going to subtract 33 degrees from both sides. And here we can see this 33 degrees and negative 33 degrees, they cancel each other out. So therefore we are ended up with 2 times a plus 2 times b equals to, on the right hand side, that is going to give us 147 degrees. And now I'm going to divide by 2 across the board, each and every term. So therefore we can see that our a plus b angle turns out to be equal to 73 106.5 degrees. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 2. And here we are ended up with these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. And now I'm going to substitute this a plus b value as 73.5 degrees over here in this equation 1. So I'm going to replace that a plus b with the 73.5 degrees. So thus our equation 1 is going to become x equal to 73.5 degrees plus 33 degrees. And if we add the right hand side, our angle x turns out to be 106.5 degrees. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, our angle x value turns out to be 106.5 degrees. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.